media powerful, accountable, and getting results. 8 on your side's Mark Douglas investigates.
Federal prosecutors are finally shutting down a Clearwater doctor who has been investigated time and time again for pain prescriptions and Medicare fraud. Dr. J.M. Iyer has found herself in the crosshairs of federal investigators off and on for nearly 2 decades.
And tomorrow she is expected to give up her medical license and possibly her freedom when she pleads guilty to Medicare fraud in federal court. 8 on your side investigator Mark Douglas tells us that Dr. Iyer made a deal with federal prosecutors weeks ago.
That's right, Stacy. In a plea agreement signed 3 weeks ago, Dr. Iyer agreed to give up her right to practice medicine and to write prescriptions.
Hello, I am Dr. J.M. Iyer, practicing in Clearwater, Florida since 1984.
Dr. Iyer runs the Creative Health Center in Clearwater, and she's promoted her medical practice for years in YouTube videos like this one.
We really look forward to be able to help you in the future.
But here's something Dr. Iyer doesn't promote on YouTube: her repeated brushes with federal investigators for prescribing pain meds and allegations of Medicare fraud dating back 18 years. I called Dr. Iyer for an interview, and she asked me to meet her here at her office at noon today. But when we arrived, the door was locked, and we got a call from her employees basically telling me to go away. Well, at least her staff didn't give us the same reception they did 3 weeks ago.
Get out.
We're here to see Dr. Iyer. Get your hands off me, please.
Please.
Don't touch me, please. We're here to see Dr. Iyer.
She's not here.
In a plea agreement signed with federal prosecutors last month, Dr. Iyer admits she carried out a scheme to defraud Medicare by billing or causing to be billed services that were not rendered. Iyer admitted to illegally issuing Schedule II controlled substance prescriptions and agreed to pay back $51,521, money that she charged Medicare after claiming to treat patients who did not even step foot into her office. Last year, Iyer published a YouTube video promoting a conference she attended involving facial rejuvenation.
I'm hoping to come back next year and bring more people again next year.
There is no indication Iyer will have to give up her multi-million-dollar Pinellas mansion, but her medical career is about to end. We did some digging and found that Iyer has faced at least 6 medical malpractice lawsuits, and the Pinellas medical examiner sent me a list of pain meds, 8 pages long, prescribed by Dr. Iyer and to victims who were involved in death investigations. Now, if all goes as planned, Dr. Iyer will plead guilty tomorrow, and that will at least be the end of her medical career.
Serious charges. What's the punishment for this? Are we talking prison time?
Well, she could face up to 10 years in prison, but according to the documents, I don't think she's going to get that. Probably less.